Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome guys. My name is Sayantani and I'm so glad you guys are here. This place is awesome. Just a quick reminder, please subscribe to my channel before your way out and also click the bell icon to watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this beautiful farmhouse style vase for free. Yes guys, I just recycled a cardboard box. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the box I was talking about and it's a big one. Let's measure now. I need 8 pieces of triangular shape and 4 pieces of rhombus shape. It's not exactly a rhombus or diamond shape. You can see that in a minute. So here are these pieces I got. They're all from same box. Now I'm gonna go ahead and attach the pieces together. Anyway, I am using blue masking tape. You can use any tape you want as long as it holds everything together. This is how it looks like. The top part will be separated and the bottom parts are connected. I'm sure you can see in the video what I'm talking about. Then I will be joining the bottom parts together first and eventually all the edges. Yes, I got a little helper here. For the base, I need a square piece, so I just traced the base on a piece of cardboard and then cut it out. So here it is. The basic form is done. I also decided to attach 2 handles as well so that it looks more like, farmhouse kind of vase. I'm gonna go ahead and attach those handles 6 inches below from the top edge. So the form is almost ready. Now I am going to go ahead and dip some tissue papers into the mixture of water and pot pudge. Take some small pieces of tissue paper and place on the form. Ideally, you should use one kind of tissue papers, but I just used whatever I had in hand. Now I will leave it to dry. It's all dry and nice. Now I am going to mix some air dry clay with water and brush all over the surface. And once I'm done, I will leave the vase to dry completely. It will turn white after it completely dries. Then I'm gonna take some black acrylic paint and paint the top part and the handles black. After that, I'm gonna mix some white and blue acrylic paint and paint the remaining parts. Don't cover the black part yet. Be very gentle, and when you are close to the black paint, use a spatula to dab on it. It will give that rustic metallic look you were looking for. Then I took some vintage gold and just dabbed on the edges. After it dries out completely, I'm gonna seal it with polyurethane. It is optional, but it will definitely protect your work. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any question, please comment below in the comment section, because your comment means the world to me. Thank you so much once again. I love you guys so much. I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay well, and stay tuned. Bye.